A very warm welcome to all the amazing parents out there who have joined our 5-day program with Crayons to Curiosity. Before we begin into as to what the program is all about and how we are going to unlock our baby's brain, because that's what we are going to learn in this first module. Before we begin, let me just tell you that this is not just a program, it is a journey of mindful parenting, right? Born out of my own journey as a mother of two and backed with child psychology, hands on learning, and a lot more. So, a lot of us, will find it very fussy sometimes at how to manage the tantrums of a baby. And what if I could not just do justice to my baby, right? What if, we are not able to deliver what is best to the baby? So these are the things that often we as a parent or a newly parent or expected parents, we think. Like many of you, I have faced the phases wherein I was lost completely, tired of tantrums, looking for my me time, and wanted to go grow their brains because I can understand what you're coming from, right? So I can relate it really well. And what all practices that I have done for my baby, I am going to reveal all the secrets in this video with you. What if we could raise an emotionally strong child? What if we could do much more better than we think? What if we actually can deliver a lot of things to our baby, right, that they deserve, and all with learning and not with pressure? Isn't that exciting? And that's what keeps me going, because when I got to know that I just have 5 years, the initial 5 years, wherein the 85% of the brain will get developed and then that window will be lost, I was so worried, and I did all that research and everything that I can do much more better for my child. Over the next 5 days, we will be deep diving into many aspects, like how to make your home a screen-free home, how to emotionally balance your child, how to actually teach them the life skills, not just ABC, how to actually build your child's confidence. And each session, each day, we will be continuing with the following challenge for a parent that you have to do with your baby, a small activity, and keep tagging us, posting us, so that we can understand as to how you are implementing on your baby and how you are making it worth it for your baby. So today on day 1, we will be focusing on how the toddler learns, right? And how you, the first and the primary teacher, can actually shapes their brain like anything. And I'm really thrilled that you are here investing time, because you are not just scrolling on the phones, because you are doing and making it more meaningful. And this mini course is all about simple and science-based ways to support your baby's brain. And the most important is that years, their life will grow, but the first 3 years are very important. So let's the fun begin, right? Let's see how naturally why we call babies the natural learning machines. क्यों बोला जाता है कि आप जो भी बच्चे को बोलोगे वो सीख रहा है, वो समझ रहा है, राइट, एंड वो सीख जाएगा. एंड क्यों होता है कि बच्चा बहुत जल्दी हर चीज को पकड़ लेता है, राइट? सो अ साइंस बेस्ड फैक्ट सेज दैट बेबीज का ब्रेन जो है डेवलप हो जाता है 80% बाय इट्स फुल कैपेसिटी. 80% of the full capacity happens before the age of 3, right? And every single bonding, every single play, every single thing that they see new is actually making connections in their brain. Isn't that exciting? So everything that they see, और बीइंग अ पेरेंट आप उनको इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हो, उनका ब्रेन डेवलप होता है. इसीलिए बोला जाता है कि बच्चे को एक्सप्लोर करने दीजिए, उनकी क्यूरियोसिटीज को दबाइए मत, एक्सप्लोर करने दीजिए, उन्हें घुमाइए, लेके जाइए, लेट देम सी द वर्ल्ड, राइट? बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ द टॉडलर लर्न्स, एंड उनका पूरा का पूरा जर्नी शेप होता है. Right. So the key insight here is, I just want to tell you, is real world play is more than powerful than giving screens to your children. Right? Screens entertain कर सकते हैं, correct, but they cannot teach how to communicate, how to do problem solving, right? इसके लिए आपको कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज मैं इस वीडियो के एंड तक में बताने वाली हूँ, जो मिनटों में आपके बच्चे का बहुत अच्छे से माइंड डेवलप करती है. So stay tuned. Now, first 3 years are the magical years. Trust me, no one is talking about it, but this is the fact that yes, first 3 years are the magical years, and you have to cherish it. You know, your little toddler can do anything, can learn anything, can explore everything, and his curious mind is just building like anything, right? So keep pushing, keep growing, and you know the simple things that we do with the baby, like talking, touching, exploring, playing, communicating. These are the baby's fuel for communication, for problem solving, for cognitive development, for sensory exploration, and for emotional growth that nowhere screens can do. Now it's time to play, right? Now in the PDF given below, I have also mentioned where to tag and how to do this, but I'm going to give you a gist of what you need to do. And isko record karna mat bhulega because ye moments वापस नहीं आएंगे. Now the first challenge is for the day one is talk and label challenge. Now what you have to do is जो भी आप कर रहे हैं, right, in the day, just talk to your baby. So let's do the diaper change, right? We are heading towards a hall. We are going outside. Let's play. We are wearing a blue socks. Let's do the hand wash. Do you understand what I'm resonating it with? So what your job is, explain everything to the baby. Even if you're folding a pants, right? Mama is folding the yellow pants or mama is folding the yellow t-shirt. Now talk to your baby, show everyday items that will help your baby to build vocabulary. And you will understand that this is red spoon, this is yellow t-shirt, this is blue pants. Isn't it that exciting? This can play a magic. Trust me, down near the lines you will understand that ये छोटे efforts जो आपने starting में किए थे, that is worth it. Now encourage the response, right? Take a time, take a point. You know, if you are to the point and they are talking back to you, maybe they are looking at you very seriously. No problem. Smile and talk to them, right? And do this every 5 to 10 minutes, few times a day. And you are giving a super boost of vocabulary, memory, and attention to your child. So this challenge is for all the mommies and all the parents out there who has taken this mini course from Crayons to Curiosity is talk and label challenge. So today, talk to your baby and record how he's responding. Show him maybe a parachute bottle, maybe a whiteboard, maybe your phone. Just talk to them, just tell them that what is it, what is that, what is that. In kitchen, different items are there. Just show them, talk to them, and explain it to them that what is it. And you record करके tag करके हमें भेजिए, and you will see that later. They do not need any fancy toys. Just your voice, your presence, your love can do enough, can create miracles in your baby's brain, right? So this, this seems to be really simple, but this can be really magical. So accept the challenge today. Tag us, right, once you do that, to Instagram at Crayons to Curiosity, and see how the magic will slowly begin and can be a boom to your child. So let's celebrate a smart parenting together. And if you do that regularly, the best parent who will be consistent parent with Crayons to Curiosity, all the challenges will be getting a feature to get onto the website of Crayons to Curiosity. So tag us. So I'll see you tomorrow with the day 2. And before that, all your challenges should be submitted there at Crayons to Curiosity. Really excited, looking forward for you tomorrow with the new challenges, which is very important for the baby, is language and communication. See you tomorrow.